On this channel, 𝐌𝐴𝐺𝐸 channel, we are starting a new series on how to make money with cryptocurrency. We all know that the evolution of cryptocurrency has made a lot of persons billionaires and millionaires and a lot with thousands and thousands and thousands that they never expected in their lifetime. And it's just like magic, all right? And these are people that make prompt decision or identify a particular opportunity and then get into it as soon as possible. So on this channel, we'll be starting a series on how to make money with cryptocurrency. So it would be nice if you like this video, as your likes will help me understand that you really are enjoying the series or you really are getting a lot from the series. And also comment and subscribe. If you come across this video and then you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to stay tuned to the other series that will be coming across to you guys. All right, ensure you watch this video to the end because I have vital tips within and a short clip at the end that teaches you vital tips on how to keep your wallet really safe. All right, so just watch the end so that you don't miss anything, because so how to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is really broad and it has a lot of opportunity within it. All right, and in this our series, we are going to be discussing them bit by bit, every step of the way on how to really make money with cryptocurrency. And today we're going to start with the most popular method that anybody can make money with cryptocurrency, and that's what everyone already know most times, and that's what we call buying and holding, buying crypto and holding. All right. A lot of person have become millionaire and billionaires just by identifying a particular cryptocurrency or a particular coin and then buying when it is still at its baby phase, and then selling when it's become when it increase, when it gets to or you can call it an adult phase. All right, and that's what we call buying and holding. The first way, which everyone knows and a lot of person has benefited from this method, is investing low by buying when it's low and then selling when it gets a really high value. All right, so in my video, if I'm a bit distracted, I have a baby right here, baby Nenu, and oh, she's always disturbing. So okay, so if I'm distracted, pardon me. All right, so you buy a crypto when it's at a very low value. Please, before I continue, this is not a financial advice. Whatever you do after this video, you should always be totally in control of yourself and it's totally up to you. All right, you are fully responsible whatever you do after watching this video. All right, so people, a lot of person buys low and then sells when it's higher. Okay, so a lot of Bitcoin billionaires today, it's just buying and keeping for the longest time, let's say a year or 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and then you sell it when it's high. All right, that is holding a crypto, but it has to. Oh, you want to go to your house? You want to go to your house? I pass here. Pass this side. Okay, pass here. Eh, correct, baby. Good girl. All right, so it has to do with your belief. If you believe that this crypto is going to do well in the future, or if you believe that blockchain technology has come to stay and there's a whole lot of opportunity within it, then you're totally responsible. So you have to identify a particular crypto or coin and buy when it is totally at a very low price, and then wait for it to grow to a reasonable amount before selling. And this does not have a particular time stamp. All right, this does not have a particular timestamp, so it means that it has to work based on your own intuition and your own personal calculation. All right, so you literally don't have anything to do, you just have to just buy and hold. All right. And these days there are a whole lot of coins in the market that most of them are scam, and most of them are fake, and most of them are upgrading. Like if you see a video I made about one coin like that, one or two coins that upgraded, and the older version were total waste. All right. If anybody had bought that coin, let's say earlier, and was not following up with the coin, and then at the end of the day they upgraded, and then you still have the old version, it becomes a total waste of money and resources, because this coin, you can't literally do nothing with it if you are not there to join them in their version too. So if those that bought Bitcoin earlier and then held for some time, yes, baby, want to meet your mommy? Okay, let's go. Let me open door for you. Okay, let me. All right, so it's totally up to you to decide if you believe in the blockchain industry and you believe in that particular token. You buy the token and keep it for some certain amount of time, and when it grows, your investment grows to some reasonable. No, baby. Stop hitting it, yeah. Okay, then when it grows to a reasonable amount, then you get it sold. So when you do that, you get money is a way of making money, but this does not have some predetermined time to do that. All right, so if you're saying, okay, I'm going to get rich in 6 months time by just buying a token, the reverse might be the case, because some market situation can result to like about a year or two or three or four, so you can't really tell what might happen or what might not happen. All right, but if you've done your calculation well enough, you could become literally vast in the situation. So those that are literally Bitcoin billionaires and other crypto billionaires, wearing most of them wearing really vast with the situation, because crypto was a whole new world. All right, so they just saw, okay, this might have a future, and then they invested their money, and then at the end of the day, they became millionaires and billionaires from the Bitcoin. So this is buying and holding. All right, and how these days that there are so many tokens, there are so many fake coins, and there are so many real coins. All right, how do you identify a good coin to buy and hold? I've made it totally a lot of videos on how to do that, how to buy coins, how to identify a coin that is real, and how to identify a coin that is fake. All right, how to identify the particular coin to buy and the one not to buy. I've made a lot of videos on that, so you better check that out. So while buying and crypto and holding cryptocurrency, there are some things that you should be aware of, and that's about the storage of your cryptocurrency, which is very important. You should be aware of hackers. You should be aware of crypto theft. You should be aware of you know malware and hardware. So you should be able to keep your crypto safe. And the best way to store your cryptocurrency is in a wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or blockchain.com that has a recovery phrase that you can save somewhere and always have access to, because when you save it, it's not in an exchange. An exchange is subjected to changes as time goes on. So if you want to buy and hold cryptocurrency and you want to hold it for the long time, you need to have it saved in a wallet that has a recovery phrase. If you have a recovery phrase in a wallet, that can easily be recovered in any and every other ways. All right. But those that store their crypto in an exchange, you won't be able to recover that. And then if you should be aware of hackers, theft, and all those people, doing airdrop. There are some airdrop that are actually very misleading. So you should avoid all that on the wallet that you are actually buying and holding cryptocurrency. These days you can create unlimited number of wallets within your mobile phone. So the ones that you're using to buy and hold particular cryptocurrency should not be used for some airdrops. All right. So with that being said, the security of your wallet is very safe. So if you have a hardware that you can store your recovery phrase on, it's also good. That's storing your wallet offline. All right, storing it online is as good as possible. It's also good as well, but you should be very sure that you keep it far away from theft, and then your recovery phrase is just for you and you alone to see. All right. With that being said, let's continue.